I left my rain suit on the other bike. I'm gonna get wet. Getting everything ready. I'm ready for a good day today. So it rained all night here in South Carolina. We're on a lake. What's the lake called? I've already forgotten. Maybe I'll put it in the bottom. Moultrie, Lake Moultrie. Anyway, so we stayed here last night. It rained hard. They gave me permission to put my bike underneath this little canopy over here, underneath this roof to keep it dry, because it poured. They were expecting like high winds and hail and all sorts of nasty stuff, but the bike, perfectly dry, and it is ready to ride. So I've got about 160 miles of the trail today, but I'm also going to take a little bit of a spur and go down to the beach, Edisto Beach. I hope I'm saying that right. And I'm going to go see the Atlantic. So I'm going to take you with me. Are you ready to experience adventure? Let's ride. A lot of pavement today, mostly blacktop so far, but I just found myself a little dirt road. It's actually sand, pretty deep. Following this log truck through here to hop back on the blue route over here, and I'm gonna head on down to the coast. There's a little spur where I can head on down and see the water, so I don't think we're too far away. And I think it's gonna be maybe about 20 miles down and 20 miles back. So may try to find some lunch over there, maybe on the water. Look how beautiful these trees are. I mean, this is just great. Look at that. That was a turkey, and he was not happy to see me. Busy little highway here. I need to pull over and check the maps. So I actually bought maps, paper maps from Kevin, and these have actually been super helpful. I'm right here. As you can see that the red line there, the blue one and the green, so I'm here. So I want to stay on the blue a little farther. That's that road right there that I just crossed, I think. Let's see if we can get in front of these cars here. I think we're about 20 miles to the beach, so let's go. Maybe find some lunch while we're there. I'm in the mood for seafood. I mean, if you're on the ocean, eat seafood, right? Okay, I've made it to Edisto Beach. I can smell the salty air. You guys from here?
Charleston.
Do you know if there's good food around here?
Oh God, yeah. If you go down to the end of the island, there's Whaley's.
Uh-huh.
All you gotta do is see this road right here?
Yeah.
What's that called, Stephanie? Jungle Road. Go down the Jungle Road, make a left, get on Jungle Road and go down. I think the Sea Cow is on your right-hand side.
Ah.
And by the way, the Harbor House is there too, a few other restaurants.
Okay. Whaley's, established 1948. Yeah, that's my kind of place. Something that's been here for a long time. It's gotta be good. So how do I get in there? How about just like this? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, let's go eat.
Yes, they are very good. I love
Shrimp good?
Mm-hmm.
Let me get the oysters and the shrimp.
You got it. That's the best thing you could have gotten.
Oh, good.
Shrimp and oysters are my favorite.
Shrimp and oysters.
break it up at about 5.
Oyster. You a race car driver? Hey, the food's good in here. You been?
It really is.
Get-
But I just want to know if it's a lost cause, if there's too many people.
No, I was able to just leave, so I saved you a spot in there. I'm just gonna take in the sights of this island. Nice place to live, I can tell you that. Right on the water. Look at these houses. Look how cool that is. Park their boat right there. Welcome to the Atlantic Ocean.
At 2 o'clock, we will be out on the stage for a snake show, and then
Snake show?
yes, and then at 3 o'clock, we will have a gator program on that same stage.
A snake show.
Yes.
Stoked about that.
Yeah.
So apparently there's snakes, alligators, crocodiles, and chupacabra, something like that. You just gotta watch where you put your. Cobra? Oh, I'm just filming the day.
All right, I love it.
Looking at all these cobras.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that one right there, that looks like a cobra. No?
No.
What is that, cobra?
No, that's a rattlesnake.
That's right.
That's a cobra. That's
No,
gotta be.
there's
Look at him.
There's no cobras in
That's
here.
a water moccasin.
There's another one over there somewhere?
There's rattlesnakes, water moccasins, and copperheads in here. That's what we've seen so far. That's probably a timber rattler. All of these snakes are venomous.
That are in here.
Water moccasins are very, very deadly.
I'm glad they put this wall here. Yeah, he's fat. Now how you know it's a cobra?
Because it says King Cobra. Yeah, he's got a big old head, but he's a
No
beautiful
way.
snake.
Oh yeah, he really is. He's a work of art.
Those have one of the longest fangs of all the snake species.
Really.
Their fangs can get up to 2.5 inches long.
Man, this is great. I didn't know I was gonna meet a scientist when I came over here.
Well, she's
the one.
she's the snake expert. She knows literally everything you could possibly know about snakes.
You're a snake expert, huh? Well, I'm glad you showed me a cobra. All right, you guys have fun. You too. Found a cobra. I love snakes, and I've had some fun messing around here at the snake exhibit. I think there's a snake show about to happen. What are we teaching our kids? Okay, kids, don't go kissing crocodiles. Well, I enjoyed looking at the snakes. That was fun. And I took a lot more time than I thought I was going to. I got distracted by the snakes, but now I'm noticing, uh-oh, we got black clouds. That's what we've always dreamed of, black clouds. I think I'm about to hit a rainstorm. It looks nasty. So I'm gonna start taking all this stuff off to protect the camera gear. I left my rain suit on the other bike. I'm gonna get wet. I've taken this thing off. It's supposed to prevent fogging, but it's actually making it worse. It rained for a long time, but it stopped about 5 or 10 minutes before I got here to the campsite, so I'm still wet and soaked, but having a blast. If you're liking these videos, please like, please subscribe. There's a lot more adventure coming.